Jai Hind everyone. In this video, I'll talk about Indo-Israel relations. So India recognized Israel in 1950, but due to its support to Palestinian cause and being in the non-aligned group, India and Israel relations remain limited. But in 1992, both the countries saw the full diplomatic relations, and from then on, relations between the two countries have improved and evolved a lot. Israel helped India in 1999 Kargil War intelligence sharing. Israel also helped India in Bhuj earthquake. So the India and Israel relationship is based on the mutual trust and the democratic values, innovation, technology, etc. As both the countries has been one of the victim of national security and terrorism related cases, that makes Israel a strategic partner in the West Asia. So we'll talk about the cooperations. Cooperations in the field of defense include that India has procured Barak 8 missiles and many radar and the surveillance system also have been procured by India at the same time. Also, things like recently the Heron and the Searcher drones also have been procured, and many other joint cooperations have been done between India and Israel. Transfer of technology in the field of defense have been done. We'll talk about the agriculture related. So Israel helped India to modernize its agricultural equipments, and with the help of many centers of excellence in the India is able to modernize its agricultural equipments using the facilities like drip irrigation and many other modern techniques like water salinization, etc. So other cooperations include that India and Israel is trying to diversify the trade in the field of technology, innovation, and space sector. The challenges remain that India want to maintain a very good relation between Israel and the Middle East countries. The recent conflict also shows that India need to tactfully balance between both the countries and remain neutral. And also, the never-ending crisis between Israel and Palestine, West Asian conflict need to be solved.